Hi, I'm Jim Kemp. I'm Head of Design and Technology and Engineering. I think design and technology and engineering are both really important subjects because everything around us is designed by designers and made by engineers. So whether it be your laptop, your mobile phone, your electric cars that are being developed now, they're all designed and made by engineers. We try to teach students the ability to solve problems and also the creativity and imagination to come up with something completely new. So in years 7 and 8, students learn the basics of the design process, so starting with the problem, coming up with the design brief, some initial ideas. They then evaluate their ideas, maybe do some modelling and computer-aided design, and they also have a chance to do some woodwork and some metalwork. In Key Stage 4, they get to choose between the GCSE Design and Technology, which is quite a broad-ranging subject covering lots of different material areas and giving them lots of opportunities in various career paths. If they choose BTEC Engineering, it's a slightly more focused course for those specifically interested in engineering. There's not such a broad range of material areas, but they learn skills which will be specific to engineering careers in the future. Both design and technology and engineering are very popular subjects. We're getting as many students as we can actually take at the moment, but we're always happy to accommodate more if we possibly can. So yes, it's very popular, always been. There are 4 members of teaching staff in the department. There's myself, who teaches design and technology and leads the BTEC engineering course. Mrs Hobson leads the design and technology GCSE and teaches design and technology throughout Key Stage 3. And then Mrs Sotomayor and Miss Bailey both teach Key Stage 3 design and technology and food and textiles. We also have 2 technicians, Mr Bell and Mrs Melmoth, who help us maintain the workshop equipment and make sure everyone's safe, as well as helping the students in certain lessons too. Accommodation-wise, we have 4 main rooms, 2 workshops. One specialises in the woodwork and has various power tools, including 2 pillar drills, a disc sander, a couple of scroll saws, as well as lots of hand tools. The second workshop is a more specialist metalwork workshop, so includes those tools as well as 2 engineering lathes and a milling machine. We have 2 IT rooms, one which can double up as a graphics room because the desks will convert to flat tables. And we also have a small IT suite, which has a laser cutter for doing some of the more intricate, detailed design work. So the students in each project, the students will do some design work, some paperwork based, some theory, so they might learn about materials, perhaps in industrial manufacturing processes, but we also try to make sure in most projects they get an opportunity to use the workshop tools and do some practical too. We try to offer at least 2 lunchtime clubs a week where students can either use the workshop tools and equipment to complete projects that they're working on within school, or some choose to bring in their own work and do design work there. We sometimes run trips to places like the Design Museum, and there have been after-school clubs including woodwork and various others which often help students to achieve their Duke of Edinburgh Award as well.